A quick disclaimer before you watch this short presentation. If you're looking for a site where you can spend some money, then you've come to the wrong place. There's nothing to buy here. Zip. Not a zilch. However, if you're looking for a monster list that you and only you can mail as often as you want and be paid $550 for doing so, you might want to keep watching. You see, when you join Free List Monster, we're going to motivate you to build the biggest money-making asset you'll ever have in your online marketing career by rewarding you with cold, hard cash the bigger your list becomes. And building a monster list through us is easier than you can imagine. This is how it works. Our referral program is based on a one-up to infinity system. When you join, you're placed under your sponsor. With a one-up to infinity system, it means each odd referral you make is passed up to your sponsor's list, while you keep all even referrals in your downline, which will be your mailing list. Keep in mind, the same way each odd referral you make is passed up to your sponsor, the same thing will happen for everyone who ends up in your downline, whether you directly referred them or they were passed up to you. All odd referrals from members in your downline will be passed up to you. To see how quickly this will build your list, imagine for a moment if you refer only 5 people to... scratch that. Let's make this as realistic as possible. Let's assume you are the world's worst marketer, and it takes you a month to refer only 3 people to your downline. To emphasize just how bad you are at referring, we're going to assume you won't refer anything more than 3 people to your downline ever. Then let's add a dash of misfortune and make your pitiful promotion skills contagious. This means that anyone who finds themselves in your downline will never be able to refer more than 3 people to their downline because they are equally as lousy at referring others as you are. Using this scenario, it means after making 3 referrals to your downline during your first month, you would have a gigantic mailing list of, well, 3 people. And because the people in your downline aren't any better, it means those 3 referrals combined would have only passed up 9 more referrals by the end of month 2. Yeah, I know. You're not really getting excited, are you? However, even assuming your streak of bad luck continues and each person ending up in your downline only ever gets 3 people in their downline, it means you'll have a list of almost 800,000 people by the end of 12 months. That's the power of leverage, baby. However, because you have so much bad luck following you, you know that most of your downline won't know a good thing even if it hit them in the head with a neon sign that reads, "This is good." Seeing that you are the mayor of Planet Bad Luck, we're going to remove 99% of your result, which still leaves you with a list of 8,000 people. The industry standard values the average income per subscriber at just over $1 per month. But since you ooze anything but success, let's go ahead and half your income. That still leaves you with a list that should bring in a minimum of $4,000 per month. If you like what you just saw, let's talk about rewards. We really want you to succeed. So, if you commit, we're going to pay you $10 once your list has grown to 100 people. Then, we'll give you another $20 when you reach 300 subscribers. This continues all the way up till you've gone beyond 10,000 subscribers, and a total of $550 in rewards. But by this time, you won't bother with rewards anymore, as your list will reward you every single time you send out an email. Oh, and something you're not going to believe until you've experienced it. The way this one-up to infinity system is leveraged, you'll actually reach the higher reward levels faster than it takes you to reach the first level. To learn more and start claiming your cash rewards, click the continue button below this video.